One thing that crept into my life was cannabis again. I had put it down. But I stopped vlogging and I guess in a way like started smoking again, or at least that's how I see it in my own memory. And it's really not good. Not good for my head, not good for my body, not good for my soul, not good for my spirit. Just not cool, man. It really takes me down, and I know it can be good, and I know cannabinoids are like really beneficial to the brain and all of that. Just not for me. I also want to talk about the glasses. So like, I'm gonna wear these glasses because otherwise they see me looking around a lot. And I don't know, it makes me feel like I can say anything I want to the world when I'm wearing glasses. It's like that kid out of Big. Is it Big? I know, there's a Tom Hanks movie where he gives some glasses to a kid and he's like, hey, I can do anything. I did like 30 odd videos and I didn't scratch the front of my phone at all. But just now I dropped it. I scratched on the floor and now the selfie camera is all damaged and you can kind of see that in the picture. Hey ho. Gotta make do with the best you got, and this is the best I got, so make and do. Still on the coffee in a big way. Still smoking cigarettes, but I'm going on a Vipassana meditation. About 10 hours, 10 days. Just try and make it work, you know? Really gonna try and make it work. Just try to expand my journey, try to expand my consciousness. Try not to relent to this unforgiving fucking, I need everything now. Because no, you don't, man. Everything you need is here. Yes, it is all now. But it's here. So just trust, man. I'm going to get my bodyboard out, but I'm thinking like, no Max, don't get your bodyboard out. Current's too strong and it's dirty, filthy water. It's not really cool to look at, like, while I've got this time, why not be doing this, you know? Why not? Hey man. That was cool. Good people. So the premise of today's video, I guess, is restarting the vlog and trying to capture some cool things while the flood's out. I think there's so much that vlogging gives me mentally, and I'm not doing it. It feels like I should be doing something. When I'm not doing something, it feels like I should be vlogging. And then when I am doing something, I don't know, I get distracted super easy. Shit just seems to creep back into my life. I think I have a trouble because I've got to spend like 2 hours editing it. I've got to film it all day, I've got to be sober. Come this way to go meet my friend Simon for a coffee. It's Simon!
Hello.
Basically, I'd written down in my diary that I was doing donuts, like getting back into reality in the real world without alcohol as a crutch. It's really tough, man, really tough. I thought I had it all figured out. But you know what, like whenever you think you've got it all figured out, man, that's when you know you don't. Come on boy, you know this. Get the running segment of the vlog done, you know, it's an important part, it's integral to the vlog, the running. But not doing it, man. It's really cold. I would just run without vlogging. Can't be honest, basically. A very important lesson in vlogging today. Probably like lesson number 1 for anyone that wants to make vlogs. Always keep all of your equipment fully charged because you don't know when you want to do it. Like now it's about 3 o'clock, 2:30, 2:08, and the rain started, so it means that I missed most of the day, man. It's totally cool though, because it's flooded.